Humans have always looked beyond themselves. We sought meaning in the stars, we found power in the thunder, we created gods to explain the inexplicable. Zeus ruled the sky, Poseidon commanded the seas. Today, new giants walk among us. They do not dwell on Mount Olympus, they reside in Silicon Valley and in the cloud. These new entities are tech corporations: Google, Meta, Amazon, Apple. They are the new pantheon. Each holds dominion over a vast realm: information, social connection, commerce, communication. They offer us knowledge, community, and convenience. We turn to them for answers. We rely on them for our daily needs. Their influence grows with each passing moment. Are they merely tools, or something more? From gods of myth to gods of code, let us begin this exploration. In ancient times, people sought guidance from oracles. Priests and priestesses interpreted divine will. They offered prophecies, advice, and judgment. Decisions about war, harvest, and personal life hung on their words. These oracles were conduits to a higher power. They provided a sense of order in a chaotic world. Humans craved certainty, a map for the future. This need for guidance is deeply ingrained. It has not disappeared in our modern, secular age. It has merely found a new outlet. Today we turn to algorithms. Google search is the new Oracle of Delphi. We ask it anything, everything, from medical symptoms to philosophical quandaries. We expect instant, accurate answers. Social media feeds tell us what is important. Recommendation engines guide our choices: what to buy, what to watch, whom to date. These systems are our new high priests. They interpret vast amounts of data. Religions are built on rituals, repeated actions that reinforce belief: prayer, pilgrimage, communal gatherings. These practices create a sense of belonging. They connect individuals to something larger than themselves. They provide structure and comfort. Modern life for many seems devoid of such rituals, or so we think. Look closer at our daily habits. New forms of devotion are everywhere, often centered around our digital devices. Consider the smartphone. It is the first thing many reach for in the morning, the last thing they see at night. A modern rosary, a personal totem. We check it constantly, compulsively, seeking updates, notifications, validation. Each notification a small dopamine hit, a tiny reward from the digital deity. Social media platforms demand daily offerings. Our thoughts, our photos, our curated lives. We perform for an unseen audience, seeking likes, shares, and comments. Modern amens. Product launches by tech giants are like religious festivals. Thousands gather online and in person, awaiting the revelation of the latest sacred object, the new iPhone, the latest AI model. CEOs become charismatic preachers, delivering keynote sermons about innovation and progress. Section 4. Dataism, the emerging religion of information. Every religion has its sacred texts, its core beliefs. For Christianity, it is the Bible. For Islam, the Quran. These texts hold profound truths for believers. They offer a cosmology, a moral code. A new belief system is emerging in the 21st century. Some call it dataism. It does not worship a supernatural God. It worships data, information, the algorithm. Its central tenet: the universe consists of data flows. Organisms are merely algorithms processing this data. Humans are no exception. Our value is determined by our ability to process and contribute data. In this worldview, personal data is sacred. It is the digital equivalent of the soul. Our clicks, our searches, our messages, our location. All these fragments form a digital representation of who we are. Tech companies are the high priests of dataism. They collect, store, and analyze this sacred data. They promise to unlock its secrets, to improve our lives, our health, our society. Through data, they claim, we can achieve a new kind of immortality. Our digital selves can live on, even after our biological bodies decay. Section 5. The Code of Conduct. How algorithms shape our reality. Religions provide a code of conduct, commandments, precepts, and guidelines for behavior. They tell us what is right and what is wrong. They shape our moral understanding of the world. They influence our decisions and our interactions. In the digital age, algorithms are becoming our new lawgivers. They are the invisible architects of our online experience. They determine what we see, what we read, what we know. They curate our reality often without our conscious awareness. This is a subtle yet profound form of control, a new code of conduct written in programming language. Consider your social media feed. It is not a random assortment of posts, it is carefully curated by an algorithm, designed to maximize your engagement, to keep you scrolling, clicking, reacting. This algorithm learns your preferences, your biases. It shows you more of what it thinks you want to see. This can create filter bubbles, echo chambers, where your existing beliefs are constantly reinforced, and dissenting opinions are rarely encountered. Is this shaping a more informed citizenry, or a more polarized, fragmented society? Search engines, too, act as gatekeepers of information. The ranking of search results is not neutral, it is determined by complex algorithms. Section 6. Blind faith in the machine, the allure and peril of digital deities. Faith is a cornerstone of many religions. Belief in the unseen, trust in a higher power. It provides comfort, hope, and a sense of purpose. In our technological age, a new kind of faith is emerging. A faith in the power of machines, of algorithms, of data. We trust our GPS to navigate unfamiliar cities, often more than our own sense of direction. We trust recommendation engines to choose our entertainment. We trust automated systems with our finances and our health. This reliance is growing daily. It is a testament to the perceived omnipotence of technology. This blind faith can be alluring. Technology promises solutions to complex problems, disease, poverty, even mortality. AI is presented as a benevolent force, one that will usher in an era of unprecedented progress. Tech leaders often speak with messianic fervor, describing their creations as world-changing, transformative. It is easy to be swept up in this narrative, to believe that technology holds all the answers, that if we just provide enough data, enough computing power, utopia is within reach. This is a powerful modern myth. However, unquestioning faith carries significant perils. Section 7. Conclusion: reclaiming humanity in the age of digital gods. We stand at a crossroads. Technology offers unprecedented opportunities to connect, to create, to solve problems, but it also presents profound challenges to our autonomy, our privacy, our very understanding of what it means to be human. The parallels between tech giants and ancient gods are not mere metaphors. They reflect a fundamental shift in power and belief. We grant these entities access to our most intimate data. We allow their algorithms to shape our perceptions and choices. We look to them for guidance, for meaning, for connection. Are they becoming the new arbiters of truth and reality? The question is not whether technology is good or bad. It is a question of power, of control, of balance. Can we harness the benefits of these digital forces without succumbing to a new form of worship, without ceding our critical faculties, our moral agency? This requires awareness, education, and courage. The courage to question the narratives of technological inevitability. The courage to demand transparency and accountability from those who build and control these powerful systems. We must remember that these digital gods are our creations. They are not divine entities descended from on high. Reclaiming our humanity means fostering digital literacy, understanding how algorithms work, how data is used. It means cultivating critical thinking, not blindly accepting the pronouncements of the digital oracle.